This nigga thought I was done with part 2. Nah, I ain't done, nigga. It's official, son. Yeah. Like I told you in pain, nigga, I'ma give you pain, nigga. You don't wanna mess with me. I'm the illest mother ever in the world. All I get is girls, nigga. I got the flyest chain. You ain't got shit, nigga. You just got a bump ass chain. You got your chain from the 99 cents over. I got some expensive shit. You got some cheap shit. You don't wanna mess with me, nigga. I'm the Brooklyn boy, nigga. I've been rapping Brooklyn ever since I was young, nigga. I've been rapping ever since I was 4 years old, nigga. That's how I got all my girlfriends, nigga. So I've been rapping, nigga. You just some cheap ass nigga coming from Elma and trying to be a rapper, nigga. Don't try to be a rapper, nigga, cause you ain't no rapper. You's a whack, nigga. You don't wanna mess with me, nigga. All I got is flames, nigga. I'm the best, nigga. I'm about to kill this whole motherfucking battle, nigga. I'ma win this shit, nigga, cause you ain't shit. So don't fuck with me, nigga. You just brought out the monster in me. Yeah. You just brought out the monster in me, nigga. What? I was just charged up. Nigga just brought out the monster in me. He's about to get flamed on this shit. Yeah. Nigga, you about to get flamed on this shit, cause you just brought out the monster in me. I'm going beast mode on your ass. You don't wanna mess with me. All I got is hot bars, nigga. I'ma take your bars and I'ma make them hot, nigga. Cause your bars are whack, nigga. You wasn't born to rap. You was born to play basketball and suck dick for money. While I was born to rap and sing, nigga. All I do is make tracks, nigga. You ain't never hear a mixtape from me, nigga. Cause I'm working on that shit, nigga. Don't rush me to do shit, nigga. I drop shit when I wanna drop shit. You don't wanna mess with me. I'm better than Drake's ass. I'm not no Meek Mill, nigga, but I'm a no offense to my nigga Meek Mill, but I ain't no Meek Mill. I will drop 3 tracks on your ass and then make you cry to your goddamn mother, nigga. Monster. Yeah. Don't come on my block, come and talk shit to me and try to say that you gonna kill me, cause nigga, I'ma kill you first. You don't wanna come on my block, niggas. I'ma take a gun and make 6 shots go to your heart, nigga. Say you could die, nigga. You gonna go to hell, you ain't gonna go to heaven. You ain't gonna live with God, cause God is my father, nigga. What you gonna say about that, nigga? I'm a Christian, nigga. What you gonna do about it? You ain't gonna do shit about it. All I get is money, bitches. I rap this shit all the time. You don't wanna mess with me. I am the king of the world, so don't fuck with me, bitch. Yeah. Don't ever mess with me, nigga. One sauce, I ain't playing with your ass. This is part 3, nigga. Monster, bitch. Yeah, it's monster, bitch. Monster. I'm the shit that you ain't want, so. Fuck you, fuck all y'all my niggas, cause y'all ain't shit. Come at me, nigga. I'll come out with a 4th one, nigga. Bitch ass.